Fix in 5. Let's decode P0486. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Sensor B circuit low voltage detected. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, ML, rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, increased exhaust emissions, possible loss of fuel economy, engine may run in fail-safe mode. Now the most likely causes. EGR sensor be faulty or out of range. Wiring harness open circuit or short to ground on EGR sensor B circuit. Corroded or loose connector pins at EGR sensor or engine control module. EGR controls solenoid malfunction. Engine control module fault or programming issue. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace faulty or out-of-spec EGR feedback sensor. Repair or replace damaged wiring/connectors linked to sens. Clean EGR sensor and valve to remove carbon deposits. Use in. Reconnect or properly seat all relevant plugs and clips. Update ECM software/firmware if specified by the OEM deal. Replace EGR valve assembly if actuator or mechanical fault. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 95 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 215 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace EGR sensor B, most common resolution. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness on EGR sensor B circuit. Clean and reseat connectors at EGR sensor and ECM. Replace EGR control solenoid if sensor tests normal but code persists. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0486 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0486 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0486. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.